Hi, Mrs. Blakeney here, and today there's going to be two little mini lessons. One is about how to make a copy of a document that I will share with you. That's the document that is. And the other is how to make a copy of your work file and share it with your instructor. Making a copy of your work file is going to be the exact same steps as making a copy of this paste chart or any other document in Google Docs. So the first thing after you open up the link that I've emailed to you, and in this case, it's your paste chart, you're going to go up, and yours is going to say view only. This is mine, so it doesn't say that, but you need to change that. So you're going to make a copy. Click make a copy, and you've got a pop-up. I'm going to move this a little bit because it tends to get down a little too far. Now, you notice it says copy of. You want to get rid of copy of. So click in that name box, highlight copy of, and delete it. Reason being is that everything in your Google Drive is listed alphanumerically, and by the time you get done, you don't want more and more copies of copy of, copy of. Next thing you're going to do is folder. Here's the name of your folder. Click in it. Actually, this is the folder where this document is. Now, left-hand arrow. Click it until it says My Drive. Then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until you come to the CVA folder that we made for just this purpose. And then click Select. Then click OK. And your copy is going to be made. And the new one will come up, and it's going to be in your CVA file. Now, you're going to see here, for you life management students, and personal and family finance also, your paste chart is set up like this too. All your links are in blue and underlined. You're going to click on it. Your link is going to come up, and you're going to click on the link. Life management, it's going to bring up your work file. For personal and family finance, it's going to take you to where your question doc is, and you will also have to make a copy of that. So the first thing you will do is make a copy, because yours, when you bring it up, it's going to say read only. So you're going to make a copy. Second step, get rid of copy of. Go down to the folder name. Click the left arrow until you see My Drive. Oops, and I went a little too far. Or if you go too far, you can just click this arrow to the right, then scroll down. And I went too far. There we go, CVA file. And you're going to click that, and then click Select, which I forgot to move this, so let's move it up here. And Life Management, and keep going until you see My Drive or Drive. And then if you see My Drive here, click the right arrow and to your CVA folder, select, and make a copy. Now, you'll see on your browser that there's two tabs now. But that's okay, because one, when you close, it's going to go back to where it belongs, and this one is yours. So yours will look like this now. Your title is here, and it doesn't say view only. You're going to fill in your worksheet. Everything that's on there, you need to fill it out. When you're done filling it out, up in the right-hand corner here, big blue share button, click it. You're going to share this. Now, get shareable link. Click it. Notice it says link copied to clipboard. Link sharing is on. The next area, it says anyone at the school can, this says view. But we want you to click that down arrow, then click more if this is the first time you're doing it. You want to make sure that anyone at the school district of Clay County with the link, then go down to here. Here's where it says can view. Click the down arrow and then click comment. Click save. And then click done. You all know where your gradebook is, so then you're going to go to your gradebook, open the 1.1 in this case, go to the student comments, right-click, and paste that link in, and then submit your assignment as normal. What you're going to do is I've sent you another email with a link for the step-by-step instructions for how to make a copy and how to submit your assignment by sharing. You are going to go back and get those, make copies of them, and put them in your CVA file. If you run into a problem while you're doing that, raise your hand, say, hey, Mrs. Blakeney, I've forgotten this step, and I'll help you along. So the first thing you're going to do is download the step-by-step instructions and make a copy of them. So you have those step-by-step instructions and then how to share your assignment. And that's our lesson for today.